some great home decor ideas which you can create easily at your home. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. CD painting. I have been looking for this for a while now. I wanted to try it out, so I decided to paint an evening view. Here I am mixing the different shades of sunset. Just add some red, orange, black and white as needed. Now let's paint a full moon. This looks pretty good. And the black trees. Just paint a straight line and dab the brush to make a triangle like this. And it's ready. Now let's see the results. This looks so beautiful. You just want a waste CD and it will become your decor. Stick it wherever you want with the help of double tape. I painted some more of these. Such a great use of a CD. Bottle decor. I'm just using this spray paint to spray this bottle. It's in gold color. You can use any color of your choice. This is just the first coat. Now the second coat. 2 coats of the spray paint would be sufficient for this. Now let's see the results. This looks so perfect and a rich piece of decor. You can put flowers in it to decor it. DIY planter. I just found this planter at my house and why not give it a new look? This was not a clear surface to work on, so I'm painting it to give it a smoother look. Then I drew some leaves with a marker and painted them with different shades of green. I'm going with the green vibe with the different shades of green. At the end, I painted some small leaves for the details. Let's see the results. This looks so good. You can create different designs with different colors as you want. And this will be a great decor piece. Bottle painting. I have this blue glass bottle, but you can choose any bottle or glass jar. Here I have painted a peacock on it as the bottle is blue, but you can paint anything that you want, anything that you like, just be creative. I'm just decorating it with some kundans. I'm fully going with the peacock vibe and playing with the colors around it, reds, blues, greens. Now I'm just adding a few more details to it. You can use a small toothpick for the delicate designs. painted some feathers here. You can just play around with the colors, and the kundans of different shapes would look so beautiful. You can also add glitters or glitter paint if you want. Now let's see the results. I think this has turned out so beautifully. These painted bottles look so good as a decor, and you are reusing it. Just put some flowers in it and it's ready. Hope you like these ideas. Do try it out, and for more updates follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. See you in my next video. Stay safe and stay happy.